Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Chevy Suburban garage door opener. First, make sure your Suburban is parked securely with the engine off for safety. Next, find the 3 home link buttons, typically located on your overhead console or sun visor. You'll also need your current garage door remote control handy for the programming process. This simple setup will integrate your garage door into your vehicle's system, making entry and exit much more convenient. To begin, if you've used HomeLink before, clear any existing codes by pressing and holding the 2 outer HomeLink buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. For new users, you can skip this step. Now, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen HomeLink button and your garage door remote's button until the indicator light changes. Once the indicator light on your HomeLink button changes from a slow to a rapid flash, you're ready for the next step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate the Learn or Smart button. Press this button firmly. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Suburban. Inside the vehicle, press the HomeLink button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time to complete the syncing process. After completing the syncing, test your newly programmed HomeLink button to confirm it opens and closes your garage door. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing and button presses. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts to get it just right. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.